Okay, stop.
No. Don't make me look ugly. Okay. Happy New Year to me. Half of my face is done.
I'm gonna go here on the chin.
Oh. Oh. Hi. Ah. Oh man, Daisy. I love you, but ah. Ah. Okay. Man. Okay.
I'm just gonna go on the nose
Okay.
and bite your lips now. This one hurts more. You're gonna do one pass or two pass?
One pass, man. Oh my god.
Oh, let me switch.
Okay. Okay, now switch it to the acne because I need to zap there. Wow. So this is my yearly rosacea beat down treatment. It hurt me because I'm also on my period, I think. So it just hurt me more than usual, and you can see some trail marks also here. And now we're gonna do this zappy zap, and then we're done. And now, please watch me zap my pimple. This is day 2 of me torturing it and surgically trying to remove it, but it's just gotten bigger and redder. So I'm gonna just zap it with my acne laser. Okay, that's it. It hurts. It's like a and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Normally I've done it like 6 times in this area also,
Yeah.
but I don't want to do too much because otherwise it's going to just become like a little scabby. All right.